Good morning, everyone. It's almost time. What's up? Our first day of trading since the government reopened. Should be interesting. Should be interesting. Good morning, everyone. YouTube, TikTok, how's everyone? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. We'll see what the market gives. Gonna give it 15 minutes or so probably to let it settle. So if you have any questions, drop them in chat. Gonna be talking to Team Bull as well. I think I might be the only one trading again today, so see if we can't have another winning trade. We'll do our best. All right. 25 seconds. Let's do this. I've never heard of that. Momsplaining. Never heard of them. Did they check up? What are we watching, Team Bull? What's the setups? I want to see what you all are watching. I want to see if we push down to that 25,400. You know, push down, have a nice high volume close back above pre-market high. I might possibly watch for a long entry. Pre-market low, rather. Sorry, London low, pre-market low. But as always, we'll be watching the 15-minute range. See if we can't catch another trade like yesterday if the opportunity presents itself. Good morning for those just joining. Can everyone see my screen and hear me well? Just checking. I don't want any confusion if I take a trade today. Or any excuses. Alright. Remember everyone, if you're trading funded accounts, say you have a 50K funded, I don't see a reason why you should trade more than 3 to 5 MNQ. No averaging down losing trades without reasoning. No moving your stop. Let's do this right. Stay consistent. You're not going to get rich in one day from trading, so let's manage risk. Nice, Paula. I think that's a little heavy in my opinion, but I was talking to you, Team Bull, but I was muted. I said, you said 10 MES? That seemed a little heavy to me, but if it works for you, work for your funded. Good morning, YouTube, TikTok. Welcome in. Nice, Bobby. That's awesome. TikTok, can you see the screen now? I tried to adjust it out for you. All right. I'll keep it light. I don't care what the size, honestly, because it's so easy to lose the funded, you know? If you're trading 3 to 5 MNQ, you can take multiple hits and still be good. Just paper cuts, right? Well, I got a couple of different things I'm watching for. I'm see if we reclaim that pre-market low on high volume for a possible long entry. But if not, if we push up on low volume, I'll look for a possible short around that pre-market low area. So we got to be patient and see what happens. Quite a bit of aggressive selling right now, but we're only 6 minutes in. So. Where is SPX at right now? Green Eyes, I added you twice. I don't know if you've seen, but I tried. No, I haven't taken a trade this morning. Waiting on you all. We've been doing so good just waiting. There's no point in me trying to trade pre-market. We've been doing really well. I'm gonna try to add you, Jadon. It wouldn't let me add Green Eyes. Now I don't even see Green Eyes on here. I added you. Wait. See if you see it that time, Green Eyes. Everyone's gonna have to get in before the market open. Trying to make some money here. Just playing. You should be able to talk now, everyone.
What's going on, my boy?
Good morning.
What's up, everybody? You guys missed me?
Oh yeah, we missed you, man.
Missed you. But guess what? The New York Stock Exchange was fire. So fire.
What's the best part?
I know I sound a little weird. I'm on my iPad right now, so that's why I don't sound normal, per se. How was your trading day yesterday? How did people do?
We had 2 winning trades live yesterday. It's a solid day. Solid day for sure.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm live on YouTube as well. TikTok and YouTube.
Nice.
Waiting on a setup. No trades yet. If I take one, I'll be very clear. We have a fair value gap. Nice. Let me talk to Team Bull as well. So now what I'm looking for, everyone, you can see the fair value gap around this midline right below that 25,400. If we push back up, I'm going to watch that for a possible short entry. We shall see. Just selling straight off. There's just no pullback yet.
Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today on this wonderful day?
Good morning, Greenhouse. How are you?
I'm doing great, my friend. Thanks for adding me in.
Look, Green Eyes.
Good morning, Jadon.
Al.
Saludos from the great.
All right, YouTube, TikTok. Oh, you're on Jadon's channel. No, Jadon's not live. I'm the only one trading live. Good morning, welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow button. I do go live every morning. We've been on a nice win streak. We've been doing really well on here, so. Yeah, I have YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now, as well as TikTok. There's about 300 people on the YouTube live and, 160 something on TikTok. Telling you all, TikTok the viewers on TikTok will be massive if I continue. It's growing quickly. How long have I been going live on there? Has to be less than a month, right? You can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com. No, I haven't taken a trade. I'm watching for a, you can all see this midline here, right? On this fair value gap. That's the area I'm watching right now. For a pullback, for a possible short around that area. Keep in mind, our risk will have to be like right here. So it's going to be a little bit of risk on this. So I think I better unmute Team Bull and talk. Don't want them to miss out for sure. Team Bull, I have a little change of plans here on this setup. You can see the midline here around this 25,400. So if we pull back, test it, I'm probably going to do like half my position there and leave room to add closer to that 25,435. That way, if we do push up and test it, you know, we're not oversized. Have room to add to it instead of stopping out early before the trade's actually invalid.
Are you looking for this block? Am I trading today? I might.
I was looking for a pullback, man, but it's just going straight down. Straight down.
Yeah, we have SPX just below 6,800 right now, so wait for a pullback. It will be drawn up like a magnet before further down. No good entry, Mr. Grizz. Yeah, it's a great photo, Jay, of you at the main desk now.
That's pretty dope, huh?
Yeah, legit. I saw that on Insta last night, and I was loving it.
So awesome.
I'm focused, everyone. Now we got two fair value gaps. Jesus. Oh, we have over a 200 point 15-minute range, right? Stay disciplined. Do not force any trades. I don't care if we sit here all morning, don't catch a trade. There's never a good reason to make one up or chase. I know it only hurts you all if you break your discipline, but it bothers me as well because I do put in a lot of work reminding you all and showing up every day. So if you can't do it for yourself, do it for me. I want you all to make money. I'm watching now. We got the 15-minute range in. If I take a trade, I'll be very clear. Jada's not trading today, no. Live every morning. Make sure you hit the follow button. Welcome in, everyone. Glad you're here. Anyone drinking any good coffee? Just hanging out? I'm unmuting Team Bull.
Some good levels here.
You might hear a Team Bull admin take a trade or something, but I'll let you know if I take it with them. Not every trade aligns with my strategy that they take, and that's okay. We can have different strategies. I just gotta.
For those that are trading ES, I think 6820 area is a good.
Oh yeah. Too Saucy says Red Bull after working 12 hours last night. I don't blame you. Wait a second, you're drinking it before you sleep? Some people it doesn't bother. Oh yeah, Courtney. I'm just drinking plain old Folgers still. Maybe one day I'll change. Did we get her pump back up? No trades yet, Jay. We're trying. Straight sell off. Anything would have been chasing. Watching for this 25,400 area.
Dopamine while I was gone. I don't know. Let it soak for one day I was gone, my friend. My friends. Well, no mishaps. DOD every day.
No, I'm here. I'm here. I just gotta. Sometimes I have to mute. I can't. Well, why does it keep muting me? No, I'm here. I just have to mute sometimes when I'm waiting on confirmation. Get focused.
You watch that 400 area?
Yeah, I'm still watching it. I like it. But it's kind of a zone. So like 400 to 435. That's why I'm going to leave a little room to add to my position. Keep my stop like a 5-minute close above that 435. What a 15-minute range, man. Yeah, I seen that. Alyssa. No, I'm looking for shorts, but we gotta push up a little ways. No, I haven't taken a trade, Joe. No trade for me yet. So about the IG lives, I know I haven't been doing them the last couple weeks, and honestly, if I'm being honest, I just enjoy having the mornings free again around that time. It gives me more time to work out, and I get to take my daughter to school more often, so I may stick with it for a minute, okay? But we're gonna be live on here every single day. Market open, we're gonna be trading together, so. I know I did the IG lives every morning on Instagram, pre-market, where we got our game plan ready, got our watch list ready every morning for years. So. We're approaching the area, everyone. I'm watching up here. I'll let you all know if I take anything. It will be a short entry if I take a trade though, and I'm trading MNQ. Oh, we're definitely eating steak today. Always.
All we doing something maybe Thursday and Friday, some really steak. All about it.
I think I may go with like a buffalo ribeye today. We got this place in town, in Knoxville. It's called Lonesome Dove. That's some good food. Good steak. It's like a 3-course meal though. Yeah, I'm looking closer to that 25,400 for the short entry. Again, I will add to it if we approach the 430 area. So leave room, don't go full size. Stops will be a close back above that 25,435 on the 5-minute. Unless we start, just pumping out a hand, then we'll stop early before the close. Oh yeah, Lonesome Dove is good. You can Google it. It's nice. I don't think so, Hill Boss. I doubt it, Danny. I'll probably just go with the actual crypto when I get in. This is a 5-minute time frame. I want a little higher. No short entry yet. Could be on this candle or the next though, so. Excuse me. All right, come on up there.
Let's get it, good God.
I'm not in yet. I want a little higher. Maybe I'm just being a little extra picky today, but that's okay. A little bit higher.
Is not necessarily a bad thing.
Three minutes on this candle. Quite a bit of positive delta. Let's see. Not in yet. I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle close. Everyone following, hear me well? No trades yet. Let's let this 5-minute candle close. See what it's telling us. You still around, Jadon?
Yeah.
Oh, I sent you a DM on Discord. Check it. If you all have any questions, drop them in the chat. I'll do my best to answer, okay? Go ahead and hit the follow button. I'm not in a trade yet. I'm watching for shorts, though. M&Q shorts, if we take it.
What up? What's going on, Big Cloud?
What's up? All right. Oh. Not in anything yet. I'm watching here.
What you doing, big dog? You need to make some money.
I'm ready.
Lead us to victory lane. I don't see a whole lot that I like either. As far as how I trade.
I started my position here on shorts. Right at that midline, around that 25. That. Oh, it just filled my order actually. At 25,400.
What are you putting your stops at, like quarter? 440?
I'm leaving room to add if we push up closer to that 25,430. But it'll be a 5-minute stop back above that pre-market low. Will be my stop on this.
Like that.
20 points will be our first trim. Okay, everyone? That's where I'll trim. After we trim, I'll move my stops to my entry on the remainder of my position. Filled on first trim there. I got filled on the first trim. Stop should be at our entry, 25,400 now. I will not be adding to this now. 25,355 is a good trim area if we get down there. Beautiful trade, everyone. Anybody in this with me? Nice scalp or nice 20-point trim so far. We could trim again, but I want a little lower. A little lower for my next trim. Anywhere in that 350 50s is good for a trim. There we go. Took another one off there. I have one remaining, so I'm gonna try to let it run here. I didn't get my full position there. Nice trade, everyone. Exactly what we wanted. I got my stop at 25,380 now, so right at 20 points in profit on my last runner. This is officially my longest win streak of the year. I'm pretty sure. Don't put that on the record,
Yeah.
but I'm pretty sure.
You killed that, Grizzly Glock.
Beautiful trade, man.
You murdered that, my boy. I'm bummed my option, I think this one isn't working on my computer. I wanted to get in and take some puts with you on that, right? So you can't
Get logged in.
It's not supporting my operating system, so yeah, my training is pulled up. Let's see if this works.
Team Bull has just been crushing it.
You just got what, 40 points on that? 50 points on that?
25,400 down to what, 38?
380? 340? That's solid.
Don't ever leave the math up to me. If you've seen my calculator history, I would probably be embarrassed. This could be a mega trade, everyone. We're approaching it. I mean, technically we won't blow a day out of this, but it's going to be hard to hold past that 100-point trade range.
Oh, hold it. You got the volumes on your side too. Always great.
You know, people talk about M&Q not, being enough. You're up over $100 per M&Q right now, so do not underestimate it. That's awesome, Tiffany. Love to see it, hear it. My stop now is at 25,380. It's 20 points in profit. We can drop it down a little, actually. I'm moving it down to that 25,360. Or, sorry, 71. Moving it to 71.
Tesla was dying too. I got my software to work. And then there are some options with you. If they do it, I'll do it.
No, we're not in longs. We took shorts. There's no trade to be made here. If you didn't get in when we did, do not chase. We've already trimmed twice. Still in. I got my exact stop at 25,371 on my runner. It got it. Trade's over. Trade is over.
Solid, bro. 50 points, 60 points.
Oh yeah, good trade, man. I'm happy with 20-point trades if we manage it right, you know.
Easy money.
Thanks, cable guy. Nice, Woody. Do I see a re-entry? I do not. I think the short setup may be over. Let's see. Okay, let me catch up some questions here in chat. I apologize if I missed. I'm the running the Zoom and Teambo and everything today, which I usually do, but trying to stay focused on both. So let's see here. What makes a difference to the 5-minute close? Because it's the confirmation candle. You can't have confirmation on a trade unless the candle closes, because once you, I'm sure you all can agree with this. The movement, it can move either way very quickly, right? It could very easily invalidate on the same candle you think is going to confirm before it closes. If that makes sense. Bobby says, "Pass my first eval with that trade." That's awesome, Bobby. I love to hear it, man. That's awesome, Travis. You're up 4,500 in profit. Nice. Yeah, that's right. I see what you're saying now. So yeah, I waited. The first 5-minute candle closed below. It wicked up. I wanted a little retracement for entry to allow for less risk. So hopefully that helps you. We're testing pre-market low here.
So we're sitting up here now, the pre-market low and the 15-minute high. I'm going to get a solid reject. We're just
This is actually a possible short entry back here at pre-market low. I'll watch it. I'm gonna watch this. We had higher volume, but nothing crazy on this candle to be so massive, right? I don't know. We made our money, so the question is, do we look for another trade here? If we do take it, we have to go light sides again, because it wouldn't make no sense to risk, having a red day after we already had a nice winning trade. Make sure you follow. I'll go live every morning. Appreciate it, David. What's up? Did I miss a question? If I missed your question, please just re-ask it in chat. Appreciate that, Chris. The losing trades will come, though. We'll manage them well when they do. Volume-based support and resistance is how I use point of control, but just Google it. Give you like a very long explanation on Google. So. Excuse me. Appreciate it, Steven. Point of control right now is at pre-market low. Yes, correct. You see, you can't really see it because it's with the line, but appreciate all the follows and the thumbs up this morning. You all have crushed it. Crushed it with trading and running up the chat. You all have to be hitting some payouts from these trades. We're just making a bag. We didn't get the high volume candle I wanted. My original plan this morning was to look for a high volume candle above pre-market low for a long entry. We flushed below the zone I was watching. And now even with this reclaim, we didn't have the high volume candle I was looking for. It's still, it looks like it has enough strength to continue up, yes, but not what I'm looking for personally. Appreciate that, Austin, for using my code. If you all want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Take Profit and look at Apex, two of the best in the game. Use code Grizzly for the discount. If you want to. If not, just hang out with me, trade. I don't care which one you use, Cal. A prop firm or your cash account. If you use a personal account, I like Tradovate for, if you're gonna fund it yourself. Solid. I'm looking for another trade. I'm not 100% I'll take another. It's kind of hard to take a trade here, especially longs, because we're right below VWAP. We didn't have a crazy amount of volume. Maybe if we got like a strong close back below pre-market low, I would consider a short entry. Am I a full-time trader and do I have a Lambo? I do not have a Lambo. But I trade with you all every day. No, I like old muscle cars. I like trucks and muscle cars. I have my truck's my daily driver though. Oh yeah, and I own quite a bit of land. Yes. What? Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Nick. My only issue, if I'm gonna have a car, it's gonna be a manual. I mean, come on. What's up? I'm here. I'm looking for a possible short entry again. I'm waiting on this candle close, see what we get. Nice. The Salient. No, I have my muscle car I have now is the '03 Cobra. Mint condition, 10th anniversary. No, I'm not looking for longs at all, everyone. So it's clear. If we'd have closed below that pre-market low, I'd go short right now, but it was right at it. So no trades yet. Could go without me, but that's okay. Do I have a normal job? Like a 9 to 5 team? No. This is what I do. I own companies, trade with you all. That's it. Invest in real estate, invest long term. Which my real estate, I'm not making no crazy money from real estate, but I am buying currently. I'm not making crazy money with it, but one day I will. Don't get me wrong. I've had my fair share of, well, I work in the same field for a long time.
Like that was a good trade that we took. Trimming at 86, we had a high of 97. We were just 10 points short of the top there on our first trim, which was great. I'm not sold on the downside yet. I think this is going to be more 2 candles that give us red, small consolidation, we're slowly going up. We still have a lot of positive flow. So I'm going to be watching that. At the moment, I think SPY is a little bit stronger than QQQ, so I'm going to diversify and be open to both options.
You might be right, MK, but I don't think longs are to play. As of right now, just what I'm reading. I might be wrong. Which I don't care if I'm right or wrong, because I'm not taking a trade based off of it right now. I'm waiting on this candle, see what we do. How was your first trade today? TikTok, tell them how the first trade went. For those that are still on, that took it with me. Appreciate it. Well, I may miss the short entry, but we'll see. I haven't liked longs all day, Team Bull. No, I'm not in. I'm not in yet. I'm watching. Do we have a Fed speaker? Let's see. I don't see one. I may be wrong though, but I don't see one. All right. Let's see here. Not in a trade. Just watching. If you took that first trade with me, everyone, I wouldn't blame you if you set this one out. But you have to position so you're green on the day regardless. I'm starting some shorts. Light size of M&Q shorts. 5 minute close back above 25,435 is my stop. First trim hit, take a trim here, everyone. Move your stops to entry, okay? 25,370 second trim. 25,370 is second trim spot. Everyone hear me? Your stop should be at our entry now. Is anybody following along, or did you set this one out? I don't blame you if you did. We had a nice first winning trade. Wouldn't blame you at all. 409 area is going to be my stop on the remainder of my position. 409. So it's a winning trade regardless, everyone. We got our 20-point trim, our stops at our entry. We've had 2 winning trades today again. Yesterday we had 2 as well. I don't blame you, Woody, at all. George, I can help you. We can try our best to help you on here. Try to make it as simple as possible. You've been crushing it. Telling you all, you should be proud of your trading, even if you're trading with me. Doing something simple consistently is not easy. It's actually really hard to do something simple consistently every day. Not many people can do it. Follow the same thing. You're welcome. Do we get our second trim here? Let's see. I hope so. Yes, do never chase a trade. If we're in, we've already trimmed the trade. You have to wait on the next. I got my second trim there, everyone. Second trim. Move your stops to what? 390. Yeah, 390. Where your stop should be on your runner. 390. If it goes down, great. If it hits your stop, we stop out in profits. There we go. That closed out my trade, everyone. I didn't have time to move down my position on that push down. It got it. So trade's over for me. Still looks good for a move down. If you have runners, leave them. Manage your trade like we was talking about. You're welcome. Any questions you have, George, just answer them in chat. We'll do our best here to, help you understand, man. Well, I apologize for the 1 hour workday. We've had 2 winning trades together. Well managed. We waited on confirmation. We did it right.
Chris, you're doing great this morning, brother. Looks like, 3 winning trades between the two of us so far?
Nice, man. Yeah. Nice morning. I love this market we're in. Perfect for day trading.
I actually think the PA is respecting levels much better today than it did yesterday or the day before. Levels are being respected a little bit more today, I think.
You all remember. Hold on a second. What was that sound? Making sure the trade didn't open. Heard a weird sound. Thank you. Appreciate that. $409 was my entry.
RFK wants more trades. Whoever gives that.
All right, TikTok, YouTube. If you haven't already, hold on. Let me mute Teampool for 1 second. If you haven't already, hit that follow button, the thumbs up, all that good stuff. 2 winning trades on a crazy win streak. You all have been crushing it with your execution, your risk management. Proud of you all. Hopefully, you didn't do like I did and you was able to leave a runner in this trade we're in. It pushed down so quickly, it got my last runner before I could move it down. So, this is futures, George. NQ futures. We trade stocks and futures here, George. The reason you lost that much money, George, is you don't understand it yet. You're going to put education first. No more trading until you understand this at all. All right. That was the last trade of 8, yes, Cottonwood. I just like NQ better, honestly. This is TradingView. The indicator on the screen is Grizzology. It's my own indicator, and you can go to grizzlytrades.com and try it for free for 7 days. If you don't like it, don't use it. Cancel it. That way you don't lose any money. But I'll see you all in the morning, okay? We'll end this week strong, hopefully.